the mirror, I see a man. I don't know who he is, his name could be you. Secrets unfold day by day. There's someone forgotten that could be me. Is there still a purpose left to live? My fears follow me like a shadow. Feelings stay buried deep. I said